My dear audience, please close your eyes for a second and imagine the biggest dream you have. Now open your eyes, because today I told you how that big dream comes true right here and right now. Good afternoon, my respected judges, my respected mentors and my fellow learners. Myself, I am Rakibul Hasan from 36 batch. Today I am standing before you to tell a simple yet transformative idea, and it's about dreaming big and started with small. We all have dreams. Someone to be doctors, someone to be engineers, someone to travel the world, and someone to change the world. But here is the truth: the big dreams never comes true in overnight. It started from a small step, like a tree grows from a tiny seed. And every great achievement starts with a small and humble beginning, and the most successful people once faced adversity, rejection, and self-doubt. Take for instance J.K. Rowling, the world-renowned author of Harry Potter series. We all know her well. She faced adversity. We all can imagine, barely imagine. She living in poverty. She battling with depression, and she also a single mom. But she never stopped believing in her dream. She held on her dream with her patience, and he wrote in a coffee shop. But her manuscript was rejected by 12 times. But she never ever gave up. Today her works not only inspire the millions, but also become a global phenomenon. My dear friends, dreaming big is just about having a clear vision. But it started with small. It's about taking action. You know that the biggest mountain is climbed one step at a time. That means dreaming big is important, but at the same time, it started with small. It's most powerful, because we all know that tiny seed planted with care, it has the potential to become a forest. So don't underestimate your first step. Don't underestimate your first action. No matter how insignificant it feels. Just started from where you are, wherewith you have. Just take your first step. My dear friend, remember that a single spark can light a fire. Every winner was a beginner, and a single idea can change the whole world. And your one single step can change your whole future. So lots of messages today, but lastly I said one thing: don't afraid about your big dream. Just started your work, and just started your work, because if we don't have any time to make us perfect. Don't wait for the perfect time. Just take the moment, make it perfect day by day. Inshallah, you will be successful. Your dreams will become true. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. And last time, once again, I want to thank my respected judges, my mentors, and my fellow learners to listening me with patience. And assalamu alaikum. Thank you, everyone.